How's everyone? Thanks again for watching. In today's video, we'll be making some dry citrus. We're using for our citrus of the choice today is oranges. We're using some orange to dry them out so we can use them on top of our soaps. It's simply for decoration purposes. These are not to be used on your skin, but if you want to, I don't know how you would use them on your skin, but these are just simply for decoration purposes. So we'll be putting them on top of our citrus soap. I'll be making a lemon and bergamot soap. Ooh, so excited. So yeah, in this video we'll just be making drying up the citrus, the orange, using an oven. So I'll just be showing you guys the process of drying it up, so you don't have to put them in the sun outside for days and days for them to dry. You can just dry them up in literally like 2 hours and you'll be done. But yeah, we'll be drying up some oranges, and if that's something you're interested in, keep watching. And if that's something you like, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And also subscribe if you haven't already. On this channel I do soap making videos and a little bit of entrepreneur series, so if you like those kind of things, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, so you don't miss a video. Thanks again, and let's go ahead and get to the video. Okay guys, we're gonna peel up some oranges to put on our soap, and we're gonna put them in the oven. So I'm gonna peel them, put them in this glass oven tray, and then put it in the oven. So let me peel this real quick and I'll show you guys. So I got the big ones, but I think they're gonna shrink once you put them in the oven. So this is, oh, look at this color, so beautiful. So we're gonna lay them flat on our tray. This is why I didn't cut a lot, because I want them to lay nicely flat. I'm gonna need another tray, so you can use whatever you have that's oven safe. I'm using this tray, and you can also drizzle some olive oil on the bottom so it doesn't stick if you don't have those baking sheets. So yeah, okay, so this one is full. Ooh, look at that, so pretty, so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go put it in the oven. Okay, so I did a second tray. So I count each slice as how many soap I will be making. So this is gonna be seven slices. This is gonna be 7 soap. A little bit high on 200 Fahrenheit, so you can cook up a little bit more. Now it's getting a little crispy. We're gonna turn it over like 3 times. It's now ready. Some of it is a little burnt on the side, but that's the side that we'll be dipping in there. But other than that, it's pretty good. It turned out pretty good. I kind of like the burnt color. Kind of makes it a little bit more, you know, colorful, I guess. But yeah, these are the oranges. You'll see me put them on the soaps. That'll probably be another video, but for now, thanks again for watching. Murakoze for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Amahoro.